You see?
Yes, I be a man, I bust up my face.
I bet say today the last bumbuckler day you come on TikTok and give yourself trouble. Watch.
Alright, yeah.
I bet say that yourself. Me I give by December for
Did it snow why?
Viewers and subscribers to their yard and abroad, please kindly subscribe. If you do not subscribe, hit the notification bell just when I update y'all with the next video, y'all be notified. Okay guys, what right about now? We have this topic to talk about with Niah and Figure It Out and Akeem. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. And right now, this I would say this comment that he made on a TikTok live is like, bro, people are watching you, bro, people are pre you get me? Some statement where you make on the live to Niah, bro, me I tell you God, people are watch you. And to be honest, the first time when me hear say Niah dead, going back on the past, watching that video with you and Niah, bro, me I tell you the honest truth, bro. Are you alone my mind go up on when me hear say Niah dead? Just because of the video. You get me? When me hear say Niah dead, just because of the video alone, you are the first person. You are the first person, bro. Me throw my mind pan. And I say, yo, me feel like if it's not Figure It Out, it's somebody else. Because guess what? A man find out say our next man know him secret. A man know say our next man know him secret, and that man come and expose him secret from a longer while. Yeah, you see me, so it started going viral. You get me? So at one point, Niah is calling him Snow White or Snow P Diddy. You get me? Snow White P Diddy or P Diddy Snow White. You get me, my viewers and subscribers. But watch this right about now. Me have a video for sure. You get me? And like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, watch the video now.
You see?
Yes, I be a man, I bust up my face.
I bet say today the last bumbuckler day you come on TikTok and give yourself trouble. Watch.
Alright, yeah.
I bet say that yourself. Me I give by December for
Did it snow why you are this be last day?
Oh, yourself, man. We are going to blame, you know. We are going to blame, man.
Well, us sound better. Snow did it or did it snow? We are giving me name now. Like how we have 14 teeth. Snow did it or did it snow?
No name can stick by me body, boy. I want Figure It Out or Gallus boss. Suck on no man.
Snow did it?
Suck on no man. No name can stick by the god. You have phone?
Alright, yo, Snow did it. Say your name.
That's name can stick by the god.
You can't name FP.
You know, no sense. You get broke up, man. No worry.
Where I cook dumpling and chicken and rice. And the two of them